This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Etsy. Follow these simple steps to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Access your Etsy account by entering your email and password. Make sure you are using the account link to your shop. Step 2. Navigate to Shop Manager. Once logged in, go to the Shop Manager by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. This will take you to the dashboard where you can manage your shop. Step 3. Access Finances. In the Shop Manager, find the Finances section located in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your earnings and payout options. Step 4. Request a payout. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm your requests. After submitting your payout request, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your email for any updates regarding the status of your payout. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Etsy. Make sure to keep track of your earnings and payout schedule for a smooth experience.